Starbucks company. The study of Starbucks company focuses on a multifaceted journey through its implication into market dominance, culture, and its development of a brand similar to integrity, longevity, and loyalty. Comprehending the corporation's growth into an international star and the strategic approaches they utilize to get there starts with the origin of the product itself, coffee. Starbucks acquires its strength from expansion capacities, diversification, and novelty to accompany a strong financial operation basing on its retail store operation. The corporation has precisely used several strategies to stay at the top of the market through good leadership alliance, branding techniques, use of new technologies, and maximizing its profit at all times. Innovative techniques and products have been the major building stone on Starbucks to maintain its leadership in the market and to return to profitable growth. The company was opened in 1971 in Washington by innovative university students who were motivated to sell quality coffee beans. Additionally, since its opening, the company has expanded globally with more than 23,000 outlets. Starbucks' vision is to establish itself as a premier supplier of the finest coffee globally while maintaining its categorical principles as it grows. The company visualizes a growing business with loyalty to its customers, delivering quality products and innovative customer benefit. According to Henrichs 2007, a business model is a brief representation of how a unified set of decision variable in a business strategy, architecture, and economy will be addressed to achieve a competitive advantage in a certain market. From analysis of the company's strategies, Starbucks has been found as a business that enjoys a high level of customer loyalty and for a long time has had a significant competitive advantage over other less popular coffee products companies using their entrepreneurial approach to business based on customer intimacy and innovation. Starbucks' business model evolves with time to meet the needs of its customers. It treats its employees well, such as ensuring their health, has a long resource fair trade coffee, and offers mobile offices to mass of unemployed workers and freelancers looking for jobs. The corporation has done before, will always entangle its share of critics, but generally it has set a pace for other companies to learn from. Starbucks was much successful in the 1990s. It has set initiatives to return to the profitable growth by making the customers a center of its success. Starbucks gives the first priority to its customers in its value proposition. Its value is compelling since it places the clients and the services offered to them above everything else. Though the corporation is a retail coffee store, its value proposition is not exclusively on coffee, rather on coffee culture and the coffee drinking experience. With this strategy, Starbucks moves away from the practical gains offered by the coffee, like stimulation, taste, and focuses on quality of its products and indefinable gains of the experience of customers drinking its coffee. Thus, Starbucks' value proposition is not based on coffee or other products, but on experience of drinking coffee in a company's store, incorporating the product with an emotional gain of customers. With the objective of being the most recognized and appreciated coffee producing brand in the world, Starbucks has some strategies to achieve this. The company concentrates on employee satisfaction and working as a team, as well as customer satisfaction through a favorable environment and high standard coffee. In addition, it uses only the best coffee beans in brewing and various blends, and thus achieves the vision of producing the finest coffee. The main objective of Starbucks is to grow by first valuing its employees. Starbucks approach its employees with excellence, comprehensive and compensation benefits package. It believes that sharing its success with its employees and customers who created that success will help them think and act positively towards the company, as well as associating it as if they own it. According to Thompson and Stickland, successful strategy should be well matched to the opportunities in the market and the threats to external development. This means crafting offensive steps and capitalize on the company's most promising market opportunities and unpleasant moves that prevent the company's long-term profitability. In my view, the strategy put forward by Starbucks to achieve its mission match well with the market condition in the coffee producing industry. This is because the coffee industry is so competitive, and by Starbucks using a strategy to create a good environment for employees, customers, and for the finest coffee, it achieves an ability to attract the best employees in the industry who can contribute to the success of the company. Such an alliance also allows it to create a sustainable delivery of high quality coffee as compared to those of its competitors. The company's mission statement communicates the reasons for the existence and how it aims to serve the major stakeholders: employees, investors, and customers. Its mission statement is to motivate and nurture the human spirit. That is, a single person for a single cup and a single neighborhood at a time. It clearly describes the dream and the prospects of the company to be the most popular coffee house worldwide, and also to be the most positive ranked brand by all target groups around the world. Starbucks' vision statement focuses on establishing it as a superior supplier of the best coffee worldwide. In the mission statement, there is 6 guiding principles that are significant in communicating the corporation's key values. These include providing a good working environment and treat each other with dignity and respect, applying the best level of excellence to the buying, roasting, and delivering fresh coffee, and embracing diversity as a necessary concept in way of running business. Managers at Starbucks have actively involved themselves in staffing the corporation with the required expertise and skills, intentionally developing the intensifying strategy, supportive competencies, and organizing their employees in working hard to offer quality service to customers. Moreover, they have allocated sufficient resources to tasks critical to strategic success, such as organizing to get the finest coffee beans from the suppliers. Best known practices are used by these managers to carry out central coffee producing activities and pushing for ongoing improvement in their productivity. By periodically reassessing how employees work, Starbucks employees precisely pursue useful improvements and changes, thus offering the best products and services to the customers. Above all, their hard work is evident in the way they exert the internal leadership required to push implementation forward and continue improving the strategic executive process. For instance, when Starbucks encounters weaknesses, managers look into the matter and rectify efficiently and in time to enable a continuous supply of coffee products. Starbucks seems to fit in the differential generic strategy. This is evident to its powerful marketing ability as well as basic research and growth, with individual as dissimilar to quantitative measurement objectives. It also has unique products and scales. Starbucks accomplishes it accomplishes this by distributing specific coffee.